Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis and insights. Today is November 6th, 2024, and we're diving into Gulfport Energy's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Gulfport Energy has released its Q3 2024 financial and operating results, and there's a lot to unpack, from production metrics to strategic initiatives like their expanded stock repurchase program.
Production and financial performance. Let's start with Gulfport's production and financial performance. The company reported a net production of 1.06 BCFE per day. How does this compare to previous quarters, and what are the financial highlights?
Gulfport's production is robust, with 91% of it being natural gas. Despite a net loss of $14 million, they reported an adjusted net income of $61.8 million and an adjusted EBITDA of $178.1 million, both exceeding analyst expectations. This indicates strong operational efficiency and cost management.
That's impressive. What about their cash flow and capital expenditures?
They generated $189.7 million in net cash from operating activities and $72.6 million in adjusted free cash flow, again surpassing expectations. Capital expenditures were $82.5 million, which is below what analysts had anticipated, showing disciplined capital management.
Strategic initiatives and shareholder returns. Gulfport has expanded its stock repurchase program significantly. Can you tell us more about this initiative?
Absolutely. Gulfport increased its stock repurchase authorization by 54% to $1.0 billion. In Q3 alone, they repurchased 341,000 shares at an average price of $146.17 per share. This move underscores their commitment to returning capital to shareholders, with $481.3 million still available for future repurchases.
How does this align with their overall financial strategy?
It aligns well with their strategy to enhance shareholder value. By repurchasing shares, they are effectively increasing the value of remaining shares, which is a positive signal to the market about their confidence in the company's future performance.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Gulfport's CEO, mentioned capital savings and future plans. What are the key takeaways from his statements?
CEO John Reinhart highlighted expected capital savings of over $25 million for 2024, which they plan to redirect towards shareholder returns. Looking ahead, they anticipate 2025 capital requirements to be consistent with 2024, focusing on liquids-rich development to improve margins and cash flow.
And what about their view on shareholder value?
Reinhart emphasized that Gulfport's stock is undervalued, and they are committed to increasing shareholder value through strategic repurchases and efficient capital allocation. This approach is designed to maximize long-term returns for investors.
Key takeaways. In summary, Gulfport Energy has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2024 with impressive production metrics and strategic initiatives aimed at enhancing shareholder value. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Gulfport's focus on operational efficiency, capital discipline, and shareholder returns positions them well for future growth. Their stock repurchase program and capital savings initiatives are particularly promising for investors looking for value.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Gulfport's performance in the comments below.